So those two planets to the left are Saturn and Mercury, based on the stellarium. As you can see, the moon here, Saturn and, Venus, sorry. Saturn and Venus. Okay, here comes the moon. And all the other bodies along with it. It's certainly something. Now, what is this big orb? Okay. And we got one behind that that's even larger. So I guess I have to use the green welding glass on the moon instead of the sun areas. This is Hawaii, which is probably one of the best besides South America, Chile, Andes Mountains, and Himalayas. And up in Europe, we're just playing the 12th, which is yesterday. Today it's 12:51 on the 13th in West Michigan, Eastern Daylight Time. And I'll show you the time here that it's playing, UTC time. It's 9 a.m. on the 12th. What are all those other bodies up there doing there? It's not on the screen. It's not on the webcam. And there's Jupiter and Venus showing up again. Right behind the bar. And you can see the other stars. There's Orion. You can see the 3 stars and the others, shoulders and legs. All right, another bar. And the bodies are still continuing behind the moon. Look how yellow it is. All right, not following too soon behind is, you can see the sun. Will start peaking. There's Orion right above the astronomy capsules for their telescopes. One, of course, is on the north, and one is on the south side here. And you can see the east is on the left and the west is on the right. And here comes the sunrise. And of course, this is the sun. A little bit bigger, a little bit brighter, as you can see it blocks out. And there's, of course, Jupiter and Venus to the right of it, which the sun is going to overtake here. I'm looking for any. There's a body to the right, 4 o'clock. Didn't want to stop it, just wanted to run it through. I did it beforehand and took some screenshots. But the moon was very interesting there. Look at that. I think that's where it stopped. We're stopped on the end of the 12th. Okay, let me go to the 13th. Click the 13th. And we'll run it down here to the start before we left off. Alright, so I'll put the yellow down there, and then we play it. Okay, that's where we left off at 12 o'clock midnight. Began on the 13th. And there's Venus and Saturn. Right here. Saturn and Venus. Bar. And the second bar. As you can see, it's every 3 seconds. Or 3, yeah. Well, no, it's 5 seconds. Right, here comes the moon again. And all what it's bringing along. It's hard to explain. Look at that. And I was looking at that with binoculars, the moon last night, and there was nothing that I could see. I guess I have to look harder. We know that the second sun is IR, so only cameras and webcams, phone cams, will be able to record it at times, but then you need the green glass also. Unless it's real close up. Look at the body there. Look at that huge body there. It's greenish. You got another one there, and you got that, the red one there, and a green one there, a big one here. What are these orbs? Are they just in the sky? In the atmosphere, I mean? In the clouds. We see them in the clouds from the International Space Station when they look down upon the Earth on the clouds, especially around Australia. But in a clear day. And then the São Vicente in Brazil has a red double sun coming up on it. Along with the sun, here comes another one about 10-15 degrees to the right. Smaller. Called the evil twin. And the yellow fades. Oh, it's behind the bar. Guardrail, I should say. And there's Saturn and Venus again, following. And it's 11 o'clock on the 13th. UTC time, of course. Which, let's see. It's almost catching up to the current time. Eastern Standard Time. So somebody can let me know what the moon orbs and things are in the moon. Let me know. So there's a few are on the sun, but got 28 seconds left on this recording. So it's taken the whole 12th, October 12th, and then part of the 13th. It's still working. We'll probably not be able to get all of it. Let's see where. Oh, I just quit it.